Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing an RV lock on the door of our camper. We recently purchased the new to us fifth wheel, and it just has the standard lock on it. So we decided to go back through and install a RV lock. We did have a cheaper model on our old one, and the one thing I did not like was this is all aluminum, cast aluminum, and the cheaper ones, these are plastic. So a lot of times when you're pulling the door closed using this handle, you feel it flex a little bit. It never broke on us, but it flexed. So that's why we decided to go with the RV lock, because it's all cast. And we also had on our other one the keypads. The keypads started peeling off and everything. There's 4 screws holding the lock on. So once you take them off, the inside and the outside will separate, and it's just common, and it's just sliding the new ones back in. Just go ahead and open the door a little bit so you don't get stuck in here. So right there's the inside off. Let's go outside and we'll take off the outside. You have 2 screws here on the outside. You need to take them off too. Once you get that off, this handle here will just slip right out. There you go. We'll go through, we'll clean this area up a little bit, and we'll get the new ones installed. Once you got it all cleaned up, slip your power lines through. See, there's just a slight little contact right there. You should be able to just push that through. There we go. So now we'll go through. And we'll put this plate on. Get that we won't tighten it all the way up till we get the inside on. Okay, let's see if I can do this one-handed. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and connect that connector, tuck that in there, and we'll get that all screwed back in. After everything functions, go ahead and we'll tighten that plate. That should be it. So now we'll go ahead and do the programming of it. When you get ready to program this, we'll come in here with our code reset button. You'll press and hold that, and then you'll hear an audible tone. When you hear that, you put in your new code, 2 to 8 digits, hit lock, then you put the code in again and hit lock again, and then the code is actually set. That's how easy it is to set that. So let's go ahead and do the fobs. To program your remote, you're going to turn your switch on. Just push it real quick, and then push and hold push the lock button several times, and then they'll Hopefully you found this video informative. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing. It does help the channel out.